Hey guys, and welcome to KENJI CRM tutorial with Yousif Alias. In this video, we're going to go over opportunities in KENJI. Opportunities are essentially in your dashboard saying how many opportunities you have, how many opportunities are in a hot lead, how many opportunities are booked appointments, whatever. All these categories. Now, you can also change these categories whenever you feel like it, by the way. Now, we're going to go to opportunities. And the reason it's set up this way is because if a new lead comes in right here, we can set up a specific follow-up to go out to these leads. If a lead get transferred over here, there's going to go a different follow-up that will go to this lead. If the lead goes here, a booking request would go out to the lead so they can book an appointment. If the lead goes here, that means this lead will get booking confirmation. All right. Also, if the lead goes here, that means you've won the deal and they get onboarding information and onboarding calls and whatnot. And if you lose the lead, you can have some kind of follow-up to say, just emails of losing a deal. You know what I mean? So every stage in here can be triggered to do something like a follow-up or a request or something in that sort. Now, if you want to add a lead manually, you come here, you add an opportunity manually, right? If you wanted to sort by pipelines, you come to this pipeline. Or if you want to sort by team members, you can sort by team. You can assign different leads to a different team, or you can sort by campaigns. You see which campaign has leads. Seems like this campaign has leads, or if you want to look at all. So you can pretty much customize your opportunity tab to the way you want it to be by going to settings. You're going to go to pipelines, and you're going to create the pipeline you want, and you're going to create the stages you want. You can have as many sales stages as you want in your sales cycle. That's why it's customizable. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next tutorial.